Welcome to the Milford Ultimate Next Gen Towbar installation video for the Toyota Hilux tray top. The installation times for a professional fitter and beginner fitter are shown on screen. These are the parts included with the towbar. These are the tools required for the installation of the towbar. Familiarise yourself with the existing mounting holes at the rear of the chassis rails, which will be used to secure the towbar in place. Attach a side plate to the existing mounting holes, placing a number 4 bolt in each of the holes. Lightly tighten at this stage. Repeat on the other side. Lift the main bar and lock it into the side plates. Screw in 3 number 4 bolts connecting a side plate to the main bar and add number 5 nuts. Repeat on the other side. Torque the nuts and bolts using a calibrated torque wrench to the recommended torque level on screen. At the midpoint of the bolt assembly's wire, cut the wire. Entering from the rear open ends of the chassis rails, feed each of the assemblies down the chassis and through the holes in the bottom of the chassis and the side plate. Secure the bolts using number 5 nuts. Tighten the nuts on the underside of the chassis rail. Tighten the bolts connecting the side plate to the chassis rail. Torque the nuts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Torque the bolts to the recommended torque level on screen. Repeat on the other side. Affix the towbar information label in a conspicuous location on the inner panel of the driver's door opening. You have now finished installing the Milford Ultimate Next Gen Towbar for the Toyota Hilux tray top. Enjoy your towing.